Hello and welcome back to Anonym Podcast. I'm Hanif, will be your host for this episode. Today we are going to talk about podcasts and I'm excited to welcoming our two guests, Adam and Angga. So alright, let's kick things with the basic, okay? What is exactly a podcast and why do you think people are so into it these days?
For me, a podcast is like this super flexible way of storytelling. You can talk about literally anything in life, business, comedy, you name it. The best part, it feels personal, like you're having a real conversation with your listener.
Exactly. Sometimes I listen to a podcast and feel like I'm just chilling with the host. It's so casual.
Totally. From producer point of view, podcasts are super expandable. You don't need a big team or fancy equipment for just a mic, an idea, and you're good to go. Plus, listener love that they can tune in anytime, anywhere.
Right. I mean, who doesn't love multitasking? I listen to a podcast while cooking, driving, or even folding laundry. It just fit into life. So, let's dig deeper. Why do you think podcasts are so blowing up so this much right now?
I think it's because podcasts feel like having a friend in your ear. You're not just consuming content, you're connecting with someone's story. It's real and relatable.
Yeah, totally. There is something so comforting about hearing someone talk passionately about what they love.
Exactly. And for creator, podcast let you focus on specific audience. You don't need million of listeners, just connect with a niche community and they stick with you.
That's such a good point. Like, even a small, loyal audience can make a podcast feel super rewarding. So, for anyone out there who's thinking, I want to start a podcast, but have no clue how, what advice would you give?
Just start, don't overthink it. Your first episode don't have to be perfect. Focus on creating content you love, and the rest will follow.
Yes, so many people get stuck waiting for the perfect moment. But spoiler alert, it doesn't exist.
Exactly. And I don't need a fancy stuff to begin. And this use USB mic and some free editing software will do. Oh, and plan your episode. A big having on out help keep things on track.
Ah, totally agree. Structure is the key. Even if it's just a solution one, it keeps conversation flowing. Alright, let's get for a real for a second. What's been the toughest part of podcasting for you guys?
Consistency for sure. Life gets basic, and sticking to a regular schedule is easy. But if learn to batch record, like all knock out there out, out 3 or 4 episode and wants to stay here.
Smart move. It's like a meal prepping, but for content.
Exactly. Another challenge is growing your Edison. It takes time and you have to be patient. Collaborating with other producer and using social media really help talk.
Passion is the name of the game. It's hard, but totally worth it when you start seeing loyal listeners tuning in. Okay, fun question. What's your favorite podcast right now, and why do you love it?
Ishi podcast Raditya Dika. He's so funny but at the same time you always get something meaningful from his episodes.
Podcast Aditya Tika is a legend. His humor, his humor feels so effortless and yeah.
For me, it's Magna Talk. Their conversation are laid back, but the topic are always deep. And then, there do you see what I see? Such amazing horror podcast. The storytelling is top notch.
Magnata feels like chatting with a really smart friend. And do you see what I see? That one's give me chill every time. So well, brothers. Alright. Before we wrap up, any final advice for someone out there who's still on the fence about starting their own podcast?
Just go for it. Don't let perfectionist hold you back. Podcasting is about learning as you go. Enjoy the process.
And remember, your story is unique. Someone on there waiting to hear it. Start small, stay consistent, and having fun.
Love that advice. You guys are amazing. Thanks for sharing your insight. And to everyone watching, I hope you inspired to start your own podcast. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next podcast.